San Bernardino County is very large and very diverse. It's 20,000 square miles, a population of over 2 million, with very diverse geographic regions. We have a populated urban to suburban valley region surrounded by mountains. When you go farther out, you're in these vast deserts with spread out communities. I'm Trevino. I'm the program coordinator for the Healthy Communities program in San Bernardino County. A county this large and diverse presents real health challenges. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to improve community health in this county. I think it's not an exaggeration to say that the health status of San Bernardino County residents is actually in crisis. And we recognize that these conditions didn't arise overnight and they're not going to change overnight. And we have to have a long-term commitment to changing our policies, our environments, and our systems to create environments where people can make healthy choices.
The low rankings in the county health rankings for San Bernardino County were alarming, and we came together as leaders to really do something collaboratively to move the dial, to help improve our health in our county. We knew we had poor health statistics, but I think it really brought together all of the pieces from health behavior to clinical care to the built environment, and really gave us, I think, an impetus to move forward with the work that we'd already started.
Sadly, we're marked as a county that's highly challenged. Number one is the best ranking of the highest and most healthy county, and 56, of course, is the most forlorn. We are up here. We are 44th out of 56 counties in terms of unhealthy lifestyles and choices.
Our low ranking in the county health rankings of the 56 California counties has really been a catalyst for our elected leaders. When we began the Healthy Communities Initiative, we were given the tall order of go make this county of 20,000 square miles and 2 million people healthier.
How do we see a healthy community in San Bernardino?
So it was going to be about partners, partners, partners. The health department alone can't do this. The school sector alone can't fix this. It's going to take all of us working together to really address this health crisis.
We think you have to have partnerships. There's a cliche, I think, that was war is too important for the generals. Well, health is too important for the healthcare professionals.
The theme here is how to get people access to healthier food. So what we've got here is a community garden down here.
It's just too important, and there's not enough resources for any one sector to work on it. So we as a company, and we've tried to bring in other companies, realize we have to do our part to help the real professionals do their job.
People are beginning to see that if you look at it, it's your built environment, you know, whether or not you have access to healthy foods, and people are beginning to see that. It's becoming a culture of health in our community.
One of our healthy cities, the city of Rancho Cucamonga, has really embraced the Safe Routes to School efforts and has been aggressive about getting funding for their efforts, not only to change their built environment infrastructure, but also to educate the kids and the community on safety.
Today's the kickoff for our WOW program. It's Walker Wheel to School. Improving overall community health starts with the family, and walking to school is one of the easiest ways to do it.
Many of our Healthy City initiatives are using community gardens as one strategy for improving residents' access to healthy food. In San Bernardino, there's a small community garden located just a block away from a local high school. At the Veterans Empowerment Garden in San Bernardino, the veterans are actually the primary gardeners. It's to help provide access to healthy food, but it's also, I think, a big mental health strategy as well. In Adelanto and in a lot of our desert communities, the city really struggles to provide just basic resources and amenities for their communities, such as open space and ball fields and places for the kids to play and for families to be active.
We'd like to welcome everyone today to this tremendous occasion of the George Park ribbon cutting ceremony.
The city of Adelanto had to go through the difficult work over the course of about a year to develop the joint use agreement so that the schools can use the park lands for the school children's recreation. The city can use the school for any programs they might want to offer for Adelanto residents.
3, 2, 1.
And we very grandly cut the ribbon to show this is a new way of doing business in Adelanto.
Kids Come First Community Health Center is part of the Healthy Ontario Collaborative, and we provide primary health care services for kids who are uninsured or who have safety net insurance.
Kids Come First, this is Eva, how can I help you?
We're very aware that clinical health care is only one determinant of actual health status for a child or a family. We spend a lot of time working on all of those other kinds of health determinants once they get in the door, and hopefully our families will pick that up and carry it back out into the community.
La parte aquí del lado que las niñas cierren la boca y usted le da mucho masaje.
We hope that by being integrated into the larger world of prevention and wellness, of the world of the county health rankings, that things can change with concentrated and comprehensive efforts, such as the efforts that we are making here in Ontario and at Kids Come First.
We decided to make cities our partners in public health, see if we could interest them in launching their own Healthy City initiative. And that approach has been successful beyond our wildest dreams.
As this progresses each year, we get more people interested, and I think the depth of the work and the impact of the work is going to get greater and greater.
We have people at the table, they're committed to being at the table, and they're not going anywhere. They're engaged and they're empowered.
Maybe we can play a role in creating a healthier San Bernardino County.